I was cutting the yard, 2/3 finished, and the deck quit turning. I replaced the PTO switch and the PTO clutch assy. The deck turns freely, no binding, and the bearings are quiet. Check the brake switch, PTO cutout switch, and the seat switch. All checked good. The 20-amp fuse is also good. The PTO solenoid does click when I pull the switch. I dropped the deck drive belt. Started the engine, and when I engage the PTO, the engine pops and dies. What am I missing?
Who makes your lawn mower? How old is it?
John Deere L120 2003.
How long has this been going on with your John Deere lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
All attempts are listed above.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Engine sounds fine. Just need the blades to turn.
Hello. My name is I have been a technician with John Deere dealerships for 18 years, and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see that your L120 is having PTO issues. Is that correct?
PTO is new, just kills the engine when engaged.
This is a common issue that I see on these as they get older. There are two possible causes. The first is that the seat safety switch is defective and not reading that anyone has won the seat. The second and most likely issue is that the reverse switch that is mounted on the transmission is defective, and it thinks that you are trying to mow in reverse, and it won't allow the PTO to come on.
The seat switch tested good with the meter. Is that the push button on dash?
No. There is an actual plunger style switch on the transmission that engages when you push the reverse pedal.
That is all that I haven't checked yet. If that don't work, you'll just take it to the dealer and pay their exorbitant price.
I feel confident that is the issue. It should be towards the lower right side of the transmission.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.